Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Analytics with Amrita. So today we are going to solve one more question, that is write a query to find total sales for each region and ship mode combination each region and ship mode combination for orders in 2020. Okay, so let's bifurcate the question first. What we have to find? We have to find total sales. Okay, what are the conditions? The total sales should be based on region and ship mode combination. Okay, so that means we have to check for whatever the region, the ship mode. As you can see, the ship mode is first class, standard class, second class, and same day. For that, let's see what are the ship modes we have. So for that we can write select distinct ship mode from orders. So now we will get all the distinct ship mode we have in our database. Okay, and the order should be placed in 2020, right? So as we can see, there are 4 different ship modes we have in our database. So we got our ship mode. The same way we will find our region. What are the different regions we have in our database? So instead of ship mode, we will write region. Okay, so let's execute this query as well. Okay, and for order placed in year 2020, what we can do here? Okay, so first let's find how we can find orders placed in 2020. So we will write select this this query is executing, so till that time we can write our this part of the query. Select star from orders where order date between 2020. So we will mention our first date of 2020, that is 2020 01 01. This is 1st January 2020, and we will mention our 2020 12 31st December 2020. Okay, so this is how we can find our order placed in December in 2020. Let's execute this one as well. Let's try to stop this query. Okay, so let's execute this first. So we are getting, let me show you how many rows we have in our orders table. So it will show in few times. The total number of rows we have in this database is 9,994. Okay, so after executing this query, we were getting it's still executing. So let's see how many rows we have here. After executing this query, we have 3,641 rows. Okay, so from here we found different ship modes. From here we found different regions. Okay, but here we want ship mode and region combinations. So what we will write here? We will write region and ship mode, because whatever the total sales we will find on the basis of ship mode and region. Okay, so now the last part is total sales. How we will find our total sales? So there is a column name as sales. Okay, so for that we will write select, because we have to find total, so we will use some aggregate function here. So we will write select sum say select sum sales will be in bracket, and we will alias it as total sales from orders table. Okay, after executing this we will get our total sales. Okay, let's wait for it. And now after getting this result, we will, what we will do, we will, after getting the result, we will copy paste this thing to here, because we have to find total sales. So we will do this. We have put our conditions. Now we will go to our question, write a query to find total sales. We find our total sales here. What are the condition? On what combination? The combination should be on region and ship mode. Okay, when the order should be placed, we have put down our condition here as well, right? So now once we, because the combination, this is our combination, so what we will do, we will group by our result by region and ship mode, as it was mentioned in, as it's mentioned in our, because this is our combination, ship region and ship mode is our combination, so we will group by these things. Okay, so let's first about this. So as you can see, we got our region. Okay, we got our region, we got our ship mode, as you can see here, and we got our total sales. So we, this is how we can approach these kind of questions, and we can solve this kind of questions. So thank you.